2026 BMW ALPINA XB7 manufacturer boasts a 631 horsepower V8, a sticker price of $180,000, and a strict production limit of exactly 120 units. But when that final vehicle rolls off the assembly line, it closes the book on a 60-year run. ALPINA, the fiercely independent, family-run tuning shop out of Buchloe, Germany, is officially ceasing to exist as we know it. The company's story started with Burkhard Bovensiepen. He was expected to follow his father into the family's typewriter manufacturing business. Instead, he turned his attention to high-performance automobiles. In the mid-1960s, Bovensiepen started tinkering with early BMW sedans. His goal was specific: extract maximum horsepower and speed from the engine while retaining a perfectly smooth ride. That bespoke approach earned his cars legendary status among driving enthusiasts. But in today's ultra-luxury automotive market, small-scale independent tuning simply cannot outrun the brutal economics of global supply chains and massive corporate scale. To understand why BMW stepped in to acquire the brand, look at their current portfolio. They dominate the track with the high-performance BMW M division, and they command absolute bespoke opulence with Rolls-Royce. This diagram shows the structural problem. A wide base of standard BMWs sits below Rolls-Royce at the top. Between them lies a massive $200,000 void. Rivals have exploited this gap, capturing ultra-wealthy buyers seeking understated luxury without jumping to a $500,000 Phantom. Rather than letting that capital bleed out to competitors, BMW bought the ALPINA trademark outright. They are weaponizing the nameplate to conquer that specific, highly profitable mid-tier. Taking ownership of a trademark is a simple legal transaction. Taking a gritty, independent tuner and scaling it into a polished, ultra-luxury titan, all while keeping its original soul intact, is an enormous corporate gamble. The first evidence of how BMW plans to execute this transition debuted at the 2026 Concorso d'Eleganza Villa d'Este with the world premiere of the Vision BMW ALPINA concept car. The engineering philosophy of the concept is a direct translation of Burkhard Bovensiepen's original thesis. He observed that drivers endure less fatigue when the ride is smooth, concluding that a comfortable driver is ultimately a faster driver. This means ignoring track day lap times and cornering metrics entirely. The Vision concept is engineered to be a distance-shrinking machine, built specifically for effortless, high-speed journeys across entire continents. BMW elected to preserve two of ALPINA's most sacred mechanical traits: a thunderous, unelectrified V8 engine and a proprietary Comfort Plus suspension mode that allows the chassis to effectively float above the road surface at Autobahn speeds. By keeping those elements, BMW is stepping away from the modern automotive obsession with stiff, aggressive driving dynamics. They are choosing serene, unbothered speed. That subtlety extends to the design. BMW calls this second-breed sophistication. It operates on the idea that true luxury relies on hidden, meticulous details rather than loud, overt branding. You can see this in how the classic ALPINA exterior signatures have evolved. The famous pinstripe deco lines that run down the side of the car are no longer vinyl stickers. They are now painted directly onto the bodywork, sealed beneath the clear coat. The legendary 20-spoke wheel design remains, but it has been upsized to 22 and 23 inches to anchor the massive footprint of the new chassis. Inside, the cabin features full-grain leather sourced entirely from the Alpine region. In the back, a hidden rear console holds a self-deploying magnetic glass water bottle and a set of bespoke crystal glasses. Every micro detail in that interior is engineered with a singular, highly specific goal: ensuring passengers can comfortably drink from those crystal glasses at 300 kilometers per hour without spilling a single drop. Moving forward, ALPINA will no longer operate as a trim package or a third-party modification shop. It is now a permanent, standalone, ultra-luxury tier within the BMW Group. The first official production model of this new corporate era is slated to launch in 2027, heavily expected to be built upon the architecture of the flagship 7 Series. In a market where performance is usually judged by how loud an engine screams or how violently a car takes a corner, the rebirth of ALPINA offers a different metric: It proves that the ultimate luxury is arriving at your destination without ever feeling the effort it took to get there.